Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss another exam question on hyperbolas. Remember, hyperbolas consist of 7 lessons. I suggest you watch all of them. Sketched are f of x is equal to 4 over x plus 2 plus 3. That's the hyperbola, the blue graph. And g of x is half x plus 5. That's the green graph, that's the straight line. The question, determine the asymptotes of the hyperbola. Remember, where do we find them? First of all, we will zoom in on x plus 2, and that is where we will find the vertical asymptote, which will be x is equal to minus 2. It's that line over there, the purple line. And then the horizontal asymptote, remember, it's this plus 3. We say y is equal to 3, and there's the line. Horizontal asymptote, y is equal to 3. Now the next question wants us to determine the equations of the lines of symmetry of f. Now remember, we need this point, and the point is minus 2 and 3, and that's the point where your two asymptotes intersect. That's the very important point. And then to find the lines of the axis of symmetry, we will say our lines will be parallel to the line y is equal to x and parallel to the line y is equal to minus x. So now let's work out the one line of symmetry that's parallel to y is equal to x, and we will start with y is mx plus c. And since our line is parallel to the line y is equal to x, the gradient will be 1. And then to find a value for c, it's this very important point minus 2 and 3 that we will substitute in x and y's place to calculate c. Therefore, 3 is equal to 1 times negative 2 plus c. 3 is negative 2. Let the negative 2 walk across. It becomes plus 2, and c is 5. Therefore, your first equation for your line of symmetry is y is equal to plus 5. Now you will see I gave you the sketch there just to make it a bit clearer. So this line y is equal to 5, it's this one. Y is equal to x plus 5. There's that line. And then this other line, that one, will be your other equation of the line of symmetry. And your line will be parallel to the line y is equal to minus x. So again, you will start with y is mx plus c, the equation of a straight line. And then the gradient is minus 1, since your line is parallel to the line y is equal to minus x. We want a value for c, therefore the only point we've got is the point minus 2 and 3 in x and y's place. In y's place, in goes 3, in x's place, in goes negative 2. To calculate c, 3 is equal to plus 2 plus c. Let the 2 walk across. 3 minus 2 is c, and c's value is 1. Therefore, the equation of this other line of symmetry is y is equal to minus x plus 1. It will be this brown line. Y is equal to minus x plus 1. Thank you for watching. The next chapter will be exponential function. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you to the next playlist on exponential functions. This is Miss Pythagoras signing off. Till next time.